Hello everybody, welcome in another video. Today I will show you 15 ideas to faceless channels on YouTube that you can make on start right now, today, okay? Let me show you. This channel is about gameplays, okay, long gameplays. He make videos about long gameplays. When the company release a new game, he buy that games and complete game with a video, okay, gameplay video. No commentary, only gameplay. Okay, now he can start maybe the best clips about that gameplay and upload a lot of videos, okay, long gameplays and a lot of clips. 6 uploads per week, but he make $50,000, okay, and he have a lot of views. Now he don't upload shorts, only long videos, okay, and videos with 6 hours have a lot ads. This is the most popular channel about food in my opinion, okay. I watch a lot of videos about him. This is great, that people no commentary, no face, okay, only record the street food, okay, and boy food is the best option. 4 uploads per week and he make $6,000, okay, monthly earnings. But look at that, is in my opinion my favorite channel about food. This channel is about blogs, okay, blogs. Women make PC gamers, or cleaning your setup, or building your PC gamer, okay. It's so great content. She never show your face, okay, always maybe show your move, but does no more, okay. You can make videos with that always with your back, okay. You don't need show your face, and you can put censorate your face if you need, okay. It's so great option. 1 upload per week and she make $1,000 per week. It's a great option, okay. This channel is about your earnings per week, okay. Maybe if you work in a restaurant or in a small shop or in building, I don't know, okay. You can show the people what are your earnings per week, okay. This is the best review or the best comment videos, okay. You don't need use your face, only clips about your work or something like that, okay. This channel example is about Fiverr. He is a freelance and he show your work per week, okay. It's a great option, but this channel is he no upload videos per week, okay. Faceless vlogs channel, like videos on TikTok, daily vlogs, okay. Your morning, your breakfast, your work, your study, your workout on your gym, your travel, your shopping groceries, I don't know. 0 upload per week. The last video 2 months ago with a lot of views, can you watch? And $700 monthly earnings. This is the king of channels about animation, okay. He has a lot of views, 1 million, okay, 1 million in the last 11 days, okay. In 1 month 2 millions, 2 months 2 million, 1 million, okay. Let me show you 5 months 6 millions. Is a great content. These people make great videos, okay. He has a lot of views and she never show your face. 0 plugs per week because the last video is 11 days ago, and short videos 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute. She make $30,000. It's a lot earnings, okay. But look at that. Look at that. Our channel is a great option. Remember, these videos are so satisfying and a great idea if you want to make something more easier, okay. It's a great option. It's so easy. Only need paint and buy this in Dollarama. I don't know how you can watch or where buy these things, okay. 3 uploads per week and 1200, okay, monthly earn. Unboxing ASMR, okay, but this is like Lego, or I don't know how can name that, but is Vanguard Full Build Dummy Conversion. I don't know, but look at that. This is ASMR or relaxing video about building things like Lego. Okay, $200 monthly earnings. This channel is a great option because it's so interesting for the people. When the people watch these videos or thumbnails in your feed, okay, you feels curious for that. Okay, only need make something like that with money or big monsters or planets, okay, big planets, or I don't know. In here I can watch example Ben 10 Hulk, okay, different Hulks, or Ben 10. Ben 10 is here, okay. It's a great content. It's so difficult to make that videos maybe, but it's a great option. Okay, now one upload per week, okay, long 4 minutes, and you can make $600 per early, okay, monthly earnings, okay, a great views, okay, that is so important. Okay, it's hard content, but it's a great views. This is a one channel about simulate crashes, okay, best crasher of the month, okay, but in this game not is a real crasher, okay, it's about game. It's a great content, okay, only about crashes. The people they enjoy watch these videos. 2 vlogs per week with 4,000 monthly earnings. This channel is about memes. It's so easy. You can get a lot memes on TikTok or Instagram and download that clips, put together, okay, all clips and insert effects, okay, effect sounds or clips about another theme, and 0 upload per week. The last video 5 months ago, and I cannot watch your here monthly earnings, but he have a lot views. Infinity Drift, this is a channel about Minecraft, okay. Minecraft have a lot mods. You can mod packs, okay, you can use different mod packs and make a short or a few videos with that mod pack, okay, and make different things. This is a great option if you like gameplays or if you like Minecraft, okay. $600, okay, monthly earning. This channel is about one long gameplay, and with that gameplay you can extract a lot clips, okay, clips 2 minutes or 1 minute, okay. Always Nintendo or PS5 or Xbox, but it's so easy. Need one game and a lot clips. Now can you watch this video? This channel have a lot earnings, but 34 uploads per week. It's a lot video. It's a lot work, okay, but this channel have a lot views. This is one channel about clips, paranormal clips, okay, with a simple but interesting thumbnails, okay, is the most important thing, and you can get these videos from TikTok or Reels, okay. You can watch. This is the TikTok format, resolution from TikTok or Reels. 3 vlogs per week with 500 monthly earnings, okay. It's a great content. This is in Spanish, but it's a meme, okay, a meme channel, okay, only about Ben 10, a great option, okay, but meme, okay, short videos, really short videos about memes. You can put this in your channel, okay. You can make example your Monday or your Sunday. You can make 5, 6 or 7 or maybe 10 videos and upload 2 per day, okay. Now he has a great option. He makes shorts too, okay, but he has a great views and 1,000 earnings. It's a great idea for one channel. What do you think about that ideas? Sorry for my bad English. I know that is awful. I just wanted to get more experience with me speaking, but this is some weird video but interesting info. If you want to start your YouTube channel, you need to start your YouTube channel right now, okay. Sorry for my bad English. Have a good day and see you later.